In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix RegOpenKeyExW Failed Function Result to error code 0, which is basically the error you can currently see on my screen right now. So if you're getting this error whenever you actually open up your game you're playing or whatever you're trying to do, like maybe when you close it or something like that, and you actually can't get rid of it, there's actually one very simple fix some people found, and that is you simply have to open the game while Steam is open. So in case you may have mistakenly closed Steam in the middle of you playing the game, what you have to do is just basically open up Steam. So just type in Steam over here and then just go ahead, open up your Steam app, and that's literally all you have to do, okay? You could also go ahead and open it as a administrator, so you could go and run as administrator over here, and then that's going to maybe help as well in case just opening Steam doesn't help. But when you do this and actually open Steam, just then reopen the game, and this should fix your issue. So I hope it does. Let me know down in the comments if it does, to actually help other people as well. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if this video helped you out, and I'll catch you in the next one.